Mr. President, we need to be careful how we allow for people to be used as props, especially within the parliament. We need to resist the belief that the Prime Minister seems to have, that resources of the nation can be used as he so pleases as gifts to individuals without policies. I give, for example, peanut dread. Radam, I know somebody went to the Prime Minister in his effort to be cool. I know you don't know peanut dread. He's not that cool. And maybe he didn't know that peanut dread said that he had an injury through an accident that he could not afford to get fixed at the hospital. I said to myself, how Peanut Dread can't afford healthcare when healthcare is free? So maybe Peanut Dread knows that it is a lie being sold, that healthcare is free, because you almost have to pay for every single thing when you actually get there. So the policy that, oh, we have free healthcare, when there is no healthcare, that should have been fixed when Peanut Dread came here, because that are the things. There are others like him who might not make the Prime Minister popular, but who are in same circumstance. So the People's National Party wants to tell Peanut Dread and others like him that we have proposed from our last manifesto that there should be a national health insurance. And when I spoke to the current leader, the man said, go and go shoot it, man, because we still believe in the national health insurance. We got from a large insurance company a costing, a calculation of what that will cost. And they stated some of the benefits of this national health insurance. Office visits. You can go on 4 office visits for just a co-pay of $800, right? You have 10 visits per disability. You have things like 10 visits per disability, gynecologist visits. You have 80% of your medicine. All of that was for approximately $18 billion in their calculation. You even have dental in it. What is taking this government so long to have a proposal for discussion, yes, for us to say that we can do this for our people? The best thing for out of the $1 trillion, because I don't want you to say we are now moving towards fiscal indiscipline. I talk about within the $395 billion that you had, we would have taken $18 billion out of it. Indeed, the People's National Party, as proved here, had it in our manifesto.